Before you start clocking in and out of any work orders within FloorVisio, there are a few settings you need to check. Go to your system settings by clicking on View, hovering over Settings, and then click on System Settings. Scroll down to find the option of Process in Order. If Process in Order is selected, the system requires you to complete the job exactly in the sequence defined by the engineering master. You cannot skip ahead. You cannot jump around. Each step must be finished before moving to the next. If Process in Order is not selected, the system allows you to clock into operations in any sequence. The purpose of having Process in Order turned on is simple. It protects the job from missed operations. It ensures routing accuracy. It maintains production and quality standards. Next, check the option called No Fares. Fares means First Article Inspection Report. If No Fares is checked, the system will not require a first article approval before the part can ship. If No Fares is unchecked, a FARE must be completed and approved before shipping is allowed. First article inspection reports ensure customer and quality requirements are met. They prevent unapproved product from going out the door and protect the company from rework and returns. And finally, check the option New Fares Only. This is an important system setting that controls when a first article inspection report is required. If New Fares Only is checked, a FARE is required only the first time a part ships. After that, the first approved shipment, the system will not require additional FAREs for future orders of that same revision. This allows production to move faster while still protecting quality on first releases. Note, if a revision change occurs, the previous revision becomes archived. When that happens, the prior approved FARE is reset. That means the part is treated like it's new again. A new FARE is required. Approval must happen at the new revision level before shipping. This verifies the first build is correct, maintains compliance after engineering updates, and prevents shipping product that change without inspection. If New Fares Only is checked, the rule to remember is a new part, a FARE will be required. A new revision, a FARE will be required. After reviewing these settings and adjusting them to match your company requirements, click Save to apply the change.